Okay, I want to welcome y'all to our Princess Cruises. This is on the Regal Princess. We're staying on the Baja deck, room 723, and it's a medallion class. So let's dive right into the room tour. First thing you gotta do, you just walk up to the door and you don't scan it or nothing. And it just says door unlocked. So let's go in. You walk into the room, you go in, and there's Amanda. Hold up, maybe I need to turn this off. She's just being silly. What do you got there?
It's a flower. It's a rose.
So yeah, they put a rose on our bed. Amanda's a rose on the cruise ship. Got one nightstand there. No USB. We have another nightstand. No USB. And then you turn around, you got this massive TV for this little bitty room. You got drawer with a hair dryer. Another drawer. Another drawer. Another drawer. The fridge with mini bar stuff. The mini bar is not free unless you're an elite member. I am a travel agent, so I get one mini bar per cruise. So those are our goodies along with this. We got a scotch, a vodka, 4 gins. And then here's your desk area with a chair. Big old mirror. You got one American plug. You have one international plug and another American plug. So be sure to bring your power strips and everything. Just make sure they don't got surge protectors. And then you walk around here, put the light on, closet, and then you got storage, the safe, more storage, and then you got the bathroom. Got the mirror, 2 lights, 3 shelves, and then this fancy shower. It does have the cord to hang your swimsuits, but it's got your dreaded shower curtain. So if you don't like the shower curtain all up in your business, make sure you bring those shower clips. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if we forgot something. Oh, there is that floor to ceiling mirror. And that's it. You do have to have a card for your lights, but they gave us one. So. But there you go. There's our room tour. The Baja deck 723 on Regal Princess. Time to go have some fun.